Good morning and welcome back. And congratulations. As you can see, the Eurodollar shot through the top border of the triangle, triggered our buy stop, converting into a buy order, and hit our take profit at the top. So that's a fantastic result, and I just love seeing these things in the morning when I wake up. When you leave a trade overnight and even a pending order and you wake up and it's turned into a profit, it's just a fantastic feeling. Okay, so let's just drag this onto the chart and see how it went. Here you can't even really see it because it happened all so quickly within the space of 1 hour. So that's where we entered into the market. That's where our buy stop order was triggered and converted into a buy order, and then the price kept going up and triggered our take profit, and we got our revenue. So that's a great result, and if we look down here, you'll see that the buy stop order was changed into a buy order. So this buy stop order, it has nothing to do with it. That's the one where the lot size was incorrect and we deleted it. So here our buy stop order was triggered and changed into a buy order, and then the take profit was reached and we got our profit of $13.64. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but let's put that into perspective. $13.64 represents approximately 2% of the balance that we had at the time. So we earned 2% in the space of several hours. That's incredible when you think that banks will only offer you a couple of percent, maybe 4 or 5% maximum on your savings deposit for a year. That's 4 or 5% in a year, whereas here we were able to make 2% in just a space of a few hours. So I'll let you think about that. What we're going to do now is an important bit, and we have to close or delete our pending sell stop order. So as you can see, the market has gone upwards, so this order has become obsolete, the sell stop, and we need to get rid of it because yes, it will automatically expire sometime later today. However, we don't want to risk just keeping it in the market because the price might still go down and trigger it, and that's not part of our strategy. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go to the trade tab, and we've got the sell stop order here. All we have to do is double click the order. This window pops up, and all we have to do is simply click delete. And that's done. Now if we go back to account history, you'll see that we've got the sell stop order here. Now the orders are all ranked by their order number. If you want to rank them by the time when you close them, you just click time, and your sell stop order will be ranked at the bottom over here because we did close it last. Alright, so that's all for today. Just to sum up, in the previous tutorial and in this tutorial, we saw how to use buy stop and sell stop orders, which was important. We learned how to modify them, how to delete them, and just generally how to use them in combination to create this kind of burst out strategy. And also we worked with the triangle, a very simple yet powerful feature on the Forex market. A good takeaway from yesterday's analysis was that if you see consistent behavior in the market, that the market is recognizing, for instance, triangle patterns, and one triangle burst out and then another burst out, and now you see a third triangle forming, then there's a good chance that this triangle will work too. So a better chance than if it's just the first triangle you're seeing on the chart. And that applies across all types of figures or all types of indicators that you might be using on Forex market, and that just means that the market is in that type of phase and all of the participants are also looking for those same patterns or figures or indicators. I'll leave it at that. We had a great trade and now it's time to move on with the day. By the way, if you haven't yet left a review, please do. I would really like to know what you think about this course. I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial, and until then, happy trading.